Good morning, vloggers. This morning I am off to Dandenong's Trash and Treasure Market at the Dandenong Drive-In Cinema on South Gippsland Highway. So let's go. Let's go and have a look at the market. So the market here at Treasure is pretty much packed. Today I did find a bowl which was the same as my grandmother's trifle dish, so I picked that up for $2. Just walking around, having a look at what else is around here. They've got lots of bric-a-brac and all different types of things here. It's probably a good idea to come down and have a look. It's open every Sunday from about 8 AM, but they have lots of different stuff here. And you can actually see screen number 2 right in front of me. Alright, let's get. So today, being at the Trash and Treasure at Dandenong, I got myself this lovely metal detector. So hopefully I'll find myself a big welcome stranger nugget somewhere out in the bush. I also bought this lovely little Ford performance vehicle little case. This is going to be the new case that I'm going to use for the drone. So that's the metal detector. And also on top of all of that, I bought myself another little generator. But this one actually starts, so I might be able to work out which one out of the 2 generators I've got doesn't work, and then I can sell the other one on. But let's go home and test these items. So I'm a little bit parched and I need a drink, so let's go get a frozen drink from McDonald's. Hi, what flavour frozen drinks do you have at the moment?
We've got grape, Coke, and vodka.
Can I get grape, please?
Yeah.
That's it?
No,
Thank you. Thank you very much. Frozen grape. Ah, yes. I'll hit the spot. Right, let's now that I've got a drink, let's go fly the drone. So I've just come down to the end of Evans Road, which is a sort of just after the railway level crossing that you just saw in front. It's sort of all blocked off. No cars can get through and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here and take the drone up and just give you a bit of a fly around of what's just up off to the side here, which is Maroondah Park Station. And in front of us is a level crossing. she is, coming down. It's going to do an auto landing. And then shut off. You're gonna love this drone. Saves me so much hassle of, you know, when I first started learning how to fly these things, I'd flip it upside down on its landing process and all that kind of stuff. But this, easy peasy. All right, let's head back home. But remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time,